Hi, my name is Robin from U.K.ABROAD. I'm a British liaison consultant for people living in Australia, New Zealand and Asia. My job is to process applications for renewal, first time and lost passports. I enjoy walking, running and yoga, and I'm extremely grateful that I enjoy the work that I do.
Hi, my name is Elise and I work for U.K.ABROAD as a British liaison consultant. My job is to renew, replace or apply for adult and children's British passports alike who live in Australia, New Zealand and Asia Pacific. My hobbies are walking, Pilates, cooking, baking and collecting fancy salad bowls. I love to travel to different countries and enjoy exploring their different cultures and cuisines. My pet peeve is people that are rude and obnoxious.
Hi, my name is Madeleine and I'm part of the dynamic U.K.ABROAD team, assisting with British passport renewals and first-time applications for applicants living in Canada and the USA. I'm passionate about travelling, especially new and off-the-beaten-track locations. I enjoy being in nature, hiking and swimming in the ocean. I practice yoga and Pilates to stay fit, and I'm an avid knitter to balance my creative side.
Hi, my name is Savitha and I work for U.K.ABROAD as a British passport consultant. My job is to apply, renew and replace British passports for people who live in the USA, Canada and South Africa. My passion is teaching drama and I absolutely adore my grandkids. My hobbies include gardening, dancing and I love to travel. And every morning I'm amazed to wake up to this beautiful creation that we call Earth.